Okay, let me say something while you take the exam. Just received a notice from the school. Due to the weather, there will be rain, wind, thunder, and other weather tomorrow. All our teachers just now, and the principal held an emergency meeting. Final decision. All students tomorrow. No school uniform,